In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Circle.so. Whether you're diving into a new community platform or exploring different ways to manage your online interactions, Circle.so offers a space designed to bring people together with shared interests. Let's walk through the process of creating your very own account step by step, ensuring you can start connecting with others without any hiccups along the way. To start, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Circle.so sign up. This will lead you to the link that takes you directly to the sign up page. Once there, you'll notice that Circle.so offers several sign-in options to choose from. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating using a Google account. However, feel free to select whatever method suits you best, whether it's your email or another integrated service. After you choose to sign in with Google, the platform may ask you some basic questions. These questions are generally pretty straightforward, aiming to understand your intentions for using the platform. Are you looking to create a new community, or are you joining one that already exists? It's these little details that help Circle. So tailor your experience. Now, before you dive in too deeply, it's necessary to verify that you are, indeed, a human and not a robot. This is a normal security measure many platforms have in place to protect their communities. Typically, this will involve checking a CAPTCHA box or following other prompts to confirm your human status. So don't worry, it's a quick and painless process. Once you've verified yourself, you'll be all set to complete the sign-up process. Congratulations, you're now part of the Circle.so community. Each step has brought you closer to an engaging platform where sharing ideas and building connections is seamless. Finally, all that's left is to enjoy this new digital environment, explore the features Circle.so offers, and start participating in discussions, joining groups, or even creating your own communities. The flexibility of the platform allows you to tailor your experience, whether you're diving into established topics or pioneering new ones. So there you have it, a simple and efficient way to get started with Circle.so. We hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Now you can explore and take full advantage of what Circle.so has to offer. Get ready to connect, share, and grow your online presence with like-minded individuals. Thanks for watching and happy community building.